What if I told you that one of the greatest motocross bikes ever built isn't brand new yet? It still has the power to make modern machines nervous. Every time the gate drops, it sounds unbelievable. But that's exactly what has happened with the legendary Yamaha YZ250. Two-stroke in an era where manufacturers continue introducing bigger engines, smarter electronics, and increasingly complex technology. One motorcycle has refused to disappear. Instead, it has become even more respected with every passing year. And here's what makes this story even more fascinating. The Yamaha YZ250 isn't loved simply because it's fast. It isn't admired just because it's lightweight. And it certainly isn't famous because it's packed with cutting-edge electronics. It's respected because every single lap reminds riders why they fell in love with motocross in the first place. Welcome back to Acer Rider, where we explore legendary motorcycles, exciting future machines, and the stories that continue to inspire riders around the world. Today, we're taking a closer look at the possible 2027 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke, a motorcycle that many believe represents the heart and soul of motocross. We'll dive into its incredible legacy, the improvements riders hope Yamaha will introduce, and the one thing I personally believe should never change. Stay with me until the very end, because the biggest reason this motorcycle remains legendary has absolutely nothing to do with horsepower. Every generation produces a handful of motorcycles that completely change the sport. The Yamaha YZ250 is undoubtedly one of them. Its story stretches back decades, becoming one of the most recognizable names in motocross history. Long before smartphone tuning apps, launch control, traction management systems, and advanced electronic rider aids became common, the YZ250 was already proving itself on tracks around the world. Professional racers trusted it. Weekend riders loved it. Young riders dreamed of owning one. And slowly, the YZ250 became much more than just another motocross bike. It became a symbol of pure riding excitement. Personally, I think that's one of the biggest reasons this motorcycle still commands so much respect today. Unlike many modern machines that rely on technology to improve performance, the YZ250 has always focused on creating a direct connection between the rider and the motorcycle. Every twist of the throttle, every perfectly timed gear change, and every jump depends on the rider's skill. When everything comes together, the feeling is absolutely unforgettable. Even today, when you walk through the pits at a motocross event, you'll still see riders proudly preparing their YZ250s. That says everything you need to know. Motorcycles don't survive for decades simply because of nostalgia. They survive because they continue delivering results. Now imagine Yamaha taking that legendary foundation and carefully refining it for 2027. Personally, I don't think Yamaha should completely reinvent the YZ250. In fact, I hope they don't. Some motorcycles become legendary because manufacturers refuse to forget what made them successful in the first place. The YZ250 is one of those motorcycles. At first glance, I imagine the 2027 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke would immediately look familiar. And that's a very good thing. The aggressive Team Yamaha blue bodywork would remain, but with even sharper graphics, slimmer plastics, improved rider ergonomics, and a more compact overall appearance. Every panel would be designed not just to look fast, but to help riders move freely around the motorcycle while attacking corners, jumping obstacles, and controlling the bike in rough terrain. Personally, I've always believed motocross bikes should look purposeful. Rather than flashy, every component should exist to improve performance. The YZ250 has always followed that philosophy, and I hope Yamaha continues doing exactly that. The riding position could also become even more refined. A flatter seat, narrower fuel tank, and improved handlebar position would make it easier for riders to shift their body weight during aggressive riding. Small ergonomic improvements often make a surprisingly big difference during long motos, especially when fatigue starts setting in. Lighting isn't a priority for a competition motocross bike, but improved materials certainly are. Stronger yet lighter body panels, more durable graphics, and premium finishes would help the motorcycle maintain its factory appearance, even after countless weekends at the track. Now let's talk about what truly makes the YZ250 unforgettable. The engine for many riders, this isn't just another power plant. It's one of the greatest two-stroke engines ever created. The crisp throttle response, explosive mid-range hit, lightweight rotating mass, an unmistakable exhaust note combined to create an experience that feels completely different from any modern four-stroke, personally. I believe that's why so many riders refuse to let go of their YZ250s. The engine has personality. Every time it climbs into the power band, it delivers an adrenaline rush. That's difficult to describe until you've experienced it yourself. If Yamaha continues developing the motorcycle for 2027, I think the smartest approach would be evolution rather than revolution. Modern electronic fuel injection could improve throttle response, fuel efficiency, cold starts, and emissions, while preserving the aggressive character that riders love. Slightly stronger low-end torque and a smoother transition into the power band could make the motorcycle even more rideable, without sacrificing its unmistakable two-stroke personality. Personally, I don't want Yamaha to chase massive horsepower numbers. The YZ250 has never needed to be the most powerful bike on paper. What matters is how usable that power feels when the gate drops, and every rider is fighting for the first corner. And that's exactly where the YZ250 has always shined. It doesn't simply produce power, it delivers confidence. And sometimes, confidence is worth far more than another 5 horsepower. That confidence becomes even more obvious the moment the track starts getting rough. Anyone can build a motorcycle that's fast for one lap. Building a motorcycle that remains predictable through deep ruts, braking bumps, massive jumps, and changing track conditions is a completely different challenge. That's one of the reasons the YZ250 has remained so popular among both experienced racers and dedicated enthusiasts. Personally, I think Yamaha has always understood that motocross isn't just about horsepower, it's about balance. A motorcycle that gives riders confidence lap after lap will almost always outperform one that's difficult to control. That's why I believe the 2027 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke could receive meaningful chassis refinements, while preserving the handling that riders already trust. A lightweight aluminum frame, with carefully optimized rigidity, could provide even better cornering precision, without making the motorcycle feel nervous. Combined with subtle weight distribution improvements, the bike could feel more planted entering corners, while remaining incredibly agile through tight sections. Suspension has always been one of Yamaha's strongest advantages, and I honestly hope that tradition continues. The KYB suspension system has earned an outstanding reputation because it offers excellent comfort, impressive bottoming resistance, and remarkable front-end feedback. For 2027, I could imagine revised internal valving, updated spring rates, and improved damping characteristics that make the motorcycle even more composed over rough terrain. Personally, I believe suspension upgrades often make a bigger difference than engine upgrades. Riders naturally become faster when they trust the motorcycle underneath them. Instead of fighting the bike, they focus on carrying more speed through corners, choosing cleaner lines, and attacking obstacles with confidence. Braking performance could also receive subtle refinements. Larger wave rotors, improved brake feel, and more progressive stopping power would help riders brake later, while maintaining better control entering corners. In motocross, those tiny improvements can add up over an entire race. Technology is another interesting topic. The YZ250 has always been loved because it feels mechanical, direct, and uncomplicated personally. I hope Yamaha keeps that philosophy alive. Useful technology is welcome, but unnecessary complexity isn't. A modern smartphone tuning application, selectable ignition maps, improved diagnostics, and fuel injection would make sense. Beyond that, I don't think the YZ250 needs countless electronic rider aids. One of its greatest strengths has always been simplicity. Fuel it, start it, ride it. That's exactly what so many riders still appreciate today. Another area where Yamaha could make meaningful progress is durability. Stronger components, improved cooling efficiency, better chain guides, and lighter wheels could all contribute to better long-term reliability without changing the motorcycle's personality. Riders expect motocross bikes to survive demanding conditions, and the YZ250 has earned that reputation over decades of real-world racing. Looking at today's motocross markets, competition has never been tougher. KTM Husqvarna, gas, Honda, Kawasaki, and Suzuki continue introducing outstanding motorcycles every year. Every manufacturer is chasing lighter weight, smarter technology, and improved performance. Yet despite all of that competition, the Yamaha YZ250 continues earning loyal fans. Why personally, I think the answer has very little to do with specifications. It has everything to do with emotion. Every time that unmistakable two-stroke exhaust echoes across the track, riders immediately recognize it. Every time the power band comes alive, it creates a feeling that's difficult to describe. Every perfectly timed shift, every clean jump, every successful corner exit. The motorcycle constantly reminds you why two-strokes continue holding such a special place in motocross history. And honestly, I don't think any amount of technology can replace that feeling. When it comes to pricing, if Yamaha continues refining the YZ250 while keeping it competitive, I would expect it to remain positioned alongside other premium motocross motorcycles. Riders aren't simply paying for an engine or a frame. They're investing in decades of racing heritage, proven reliability, and one of the most respected names in motocross. Now, let's come back to the question I asked at the beginning. What is the one thing that makes the Yamaha YZ250 truly legendary? Personally, I don't think it's the engine. I don't think it's the suspension. I don't even think it's the lightweight chassis. It's the personality. The YZ250 has something that many motorcycles spend years trying to achieve, but never quite find character. The moment you hear it start, the moment you feel the power band hit, the moment both wheels leave the ground over a jump, you immediately understand why. Riders still refuse to let this motorcycle fade into history. That's why I believe the 2027 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke doesn't need to become something completely different. It simply needs to become an even better version of the legend riders already love. Personally, if Yamaha continues respecting the motorcycle's heritage while introducing thoughtful refinements, I truly believe the YZ250 will remain one of the greatest two-stroke motocross bikes ever built. Now, I'd love to hear your opinion. If Yamaha officially revealed the 2027 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke tomorrow, what would be the one upgrade you'd most like to see? Modern fuel injection, improved suspension, updated styling, or would you leave this legendary machine almost exactly the way it is? Let me know in the comments, because I genuinely enjoy hearing what fellow riders think. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to Acer Rider and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest motorcycle stories, future bike discussions, motocross legends, and realistic concept reviews. Before we wrap up, here's an important disclaimer. As of today, Yamaha has not officially announced a completely redesigned 2027 Yamaha YZ250 two-stroke. The motorcycle discussed in this video is a creative concept based on the legendary YZ250 platform, current industry trends, enthusiast expectations, publicly available information, and my personal opinions enhanced with assisted creative visualization for entertainment and discussion purposes only. Until next time, ride hard, stay safe, keep chasing the perfect lap, and never lose your passion for the machines that make motocross unforgettable.